Okay, we ready? Ready? Put your head through. Good boy. Can I see your pretty wing? Can you see your pretty wing? Good boy. Let me just fix it. Here we go. Good boy. I'm going to do the other side. Can I see your pretty wing? Good boy. There we go. Good boy. Is this one okay? There we go. Good boy, Jasper. All right. Now we just have to tighten it. It's the first time I'm tightening it on him, so we'll see what happens. Great job, Jasper. I think maybe a little bit tighter, but looks okay. Great job, Jasper. I think a little bit more. I don't know. How does that feel? Is that good? Look at you in your little harness. Good job, Jasper. This is the first time he's been in his harness completely. He deserves a whole almond. Oh, it's not tight enough. You can get his foot out. I'll tighten it better next time. Great job. So this took over a month of training every day for about 10-15 minutes. And now Jasper finally has his flight harness on for the first time. Great job.